we have a fast pass for Frozen, which is like my favorite ride at Epcot, so I'm really excited about that. Frozen is down, so our fast pass changed to a multiple experience pass. So we're actually gonna go over and ride Test Track because the sky is looking dark, so we're gonna hopefully try to get on there before a storm comes, because if there's lightning, I think it's one of the ones that closes down. So we will head over there.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Okay, what's his name? Mr. Morrow. I'm sorry. He thinks that we know you because we watch all of your videos.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
And who's missing today?
Yip Yip.
Where's
Yeah,
Yip Yip's not here? No.
Oh.
He was so excited when we knew we were coming and we thought we would see you, and we've been watching you for a long time.
Okay,
Yeah, we're big fans. So we watch all of your videos, don't we?
Yeah.
Every day we look for one, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah, thank you. So that was exciting. We actually just met one of our favorite vloggers, Disney vloggers, Nate from Paging Mr. Morrow. Unfortunately, Veronica was not with him, but he was such a cool guy, such a nice guy. We are so glad that we met him. I will go ahead and link his channel in the description box below.
What kind of vehicle do you want? Is that what you want? Hold on.
Oh, that's pretty wide.
It's rival, man.
Yeah, that's 8 people.
Like that? Alright, let's go to the wheels. What kind of wheels do you want? Now choose your wheel. What color do you want? Choose your color. That's what you like? Hold on.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Hold on tightly.
Here goes the final test.
Choosing for power test.
That was hardcore. Okay, so I had never been on Test Track before, and I didn't realize like that ride is pretty intense. So it was a lot of fun. There you go. You like Figment? Yeah. Okay, so the pros of being nice to a cast member. We did not have a fast pass, and she let us into Journey into Imagination with a fast pass, even though, let's be real, this waits like 5 minutes, but it's kind of a cool little perk. but because we had the fast pass from earlier today, there was an issue, but they let us use it here, so here we are. Here we go! Let's go! That Frozen ride never gets old. It is probably one of my favorite rides. I love it. So now we're gonna try to go pick up some food from the Food and Wine Festival. We haven't had any of it today. It is now 9:32 and the park is closed, but we did get to ride Test Track, which was awesome at night. So we are headed back to the resort, and that is a wrap on our first full day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see all of my Disney World vlogs. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always on the edge. Hearts are open wide.